You see this oil sign here. This particular sign has been the major cause of engine knocks in our car. This is oil pressure sign. Whenever this thing comes in your car, be very, very worried. Don't drive that car until you solve that issue. In fact, don't manage that car until that car gets to a technician. If there is no technician around your hood, tow that vehicle to your technician. You get why? This particular sign here has been the major cause of engine knocks in our vehicle nowadays. There are many factors that can cause this particular sign to come out from your vehicle. Number one, low oil pressure. When there is low oil level, when there is low oil in your car, or there is no oil in your car, this particular sign will come out. Number two, if you are using the wrong oil, this particular sign can come out. Number three, the one where they burst my brain, now wrong oil filter. Wrong oil filter can bring this particular thing out. Number four, there is something we call oil pressure in your car. It can come out. It can make this particular sign to come out. Number five, there is another thing we call oil pressure sensor. If it is damaged or weak, this particular sign can come out. It can come out with many signals, like knocking sound, or if you no bring out any signal at all. But this particular sign will just pop up in your dashboard. Don't overlook it. This is very, very important. Again, very, very important. That's why I said it in my previous video, be very, very vigilant. Whenever you're driving, always make sure that your eye goes at the dashboard from time to time, so that whenever this particular sign comes out, you tackle it, and you're not meant to drive that car until it is solved. Otherwise, there is every possibility that that engine will get knocked at any time. Yes, na me the talker. So it better may you hear them and hear. You never can tell. That's why I say from time to time, before you travel, before you go anywhere, check the level of your oil. Then another thing that can cause this particular thing to come out is when your sump is pressed. The oil sump, when it don't press inside, maybe something knock or enter any pothole, the thing. So the inability for oil pressure to suck the oil, to be suffocating the engine, thereby bringing out this particular sign. And whenever this particular sign comes out, there's every evidence that engine is going to get knocked. So it's a sign, and it needs emergency attention. What did I say? Emergency attention. So if you ask me what is needed to be done, it's good for you to have the idea, so that whenever your technician or your mechanic is taking care of it, you guys can align together. So as I don't tell you the things that can cause this particular issue to come out, as good as that is the remedy. So first of all, when you park, as a first aid that you can't do by yourself, is to gauge the oil. Check whether the oil level is where it's supposed to be. If you don't go down, or you know there at all, try and top it. That means there will be leakage. So you're only topping it as a first aid, but you're taking it to a technician to check where the leakage is coming from. That is it. And if it is there, check the oil whether it is recommended, or you don't buy at the Buruja. Go put down. So the mechanic go down roller you 20 or 30. So you don't go buy the wrong oil, go put. It can cause it. Another thing we if you check, which I have just mentioned earlier, is the word oil pressure. There's something we call oil pressure in your engine. You done the week. If you go under, go check whether the sump don't press, or you don't buy a fake oil filter inside that car. If you don't check all these things everywhere, mele, you know that the switch or the sensor where they regulate this particular oil pressure don't spoil. So in everything I am saying, the conclusion is this particular sign is not a sign wey go come out for your car and you are telling yourself make I manage am. They no dey manage this particular sign for your dashboard o. Check am o, they no dey manage. This one no be Nigerian mentality after I go run am. No, this particular one they no dey check, they no dey waste time for am. Park jejeje. Otherwise in the next 30 minutes that your engine go knock everywhere. No talk sir, no tell you. As you dey see this video, try make you dey share am. It can happen to you at any time. It can happen to your friend. So as you don't share this particular video, you are saving a lot of souls.